Have you ever wondered why some people use Windows while others prefer Linux? Both are operating systems, but they are very different from each other. Today, we'll understand the difference between Windows and Linux in the simplest way possible. What is an operating system? An operating system is the software that manages your computer hardware and runs applications. Without an operating system, your computer cannot work properly. Some popular operating systems are Windows, Linux, macOS. What is Windows? Windows is an operating system created by Microsoft. It is the most popular desktop operating system in the world. Most people use Windows for gaming, schoolwork, office tasks, everyday use. Windows is known for its easy interface, wide software support, beginner-friendly experience. What is Linux? Linux is an open-source operating system. This means anyone can modify and customize it. Linux is widely used in servers, cybersecurity, programming, supercomputers. Popular Linux distributions include Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Fedora. Main difference: user experience. Windows is designed for general users. It is easier for beginners. Linux gives users more control and customization, but Linux can feel difficult for new users. Software support. Windows supports most popular software and games. That is why gamers usually prefer Windows. Linux supports many free applications, but some Windows software may not work properly on Linux. Security difference. Linux is generally considered more secure. Viruses are more common on Windows because more people use it. Linux users also get better control over system permissions. Performance difference. Linux is lightweight and efficient. It can run well even on older computers. Windows usually uses more system resources. Why programmers prefer Linux? Many programmers and ethical hackers prefer Linux because powerful terminal, better developer tools, server compatibility, high customization. Which one is better? There is no perfect answer. Windows is better for gaming, beginners, everyday users. Linux is better for programming, servers, advanced users, cybersecurity. Quick recap: Windows is beginner-friendly and popular for gaming. Linux is open-source, customizable, and widely used in servers and development. Both operating systems have different strengths. Now you understand the difference between Windows and Linux. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte and tell me in the comments, do you use Windows or Linux?